What's happening?
How much do you want for that $9,000 car?
Oh yeah, take 8.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Didn't think you were coming.
No, you didn't ask me, that's why.
Righto, Swartzy. Alright, here we are, pre-meet for the Hackshop Garage Open House. Got a few mates with their cool cars. We're all going to cruise over there, so we'll get some rolling shots of all the cars, hopefully, up next to us. Bartholomew's shipbox. Nice barrow spot, amazing.
Yeah. You want one?
Yeah. We're going to swap cars, yeah? You're going to drive Patsy.
Oh, definitely.
Cruise control.
Got my family, I was like, oh,
Yeah,
don't feel the engine bay. It's not a clean car.
It's a bloody show car, mate. Show car.
The one best engine bay they didn't it? Without even opening the bonnet. What's that? At the pizza shop the other day. Yeah, one best engine bay, never even opened the bonnet. Yeah, 100%.
Hello, darling. How are you?
You brought a convoy, didn't you?
Oh, what? Only a couple. 10. We got 10.
Roof looks nice and shabby,
Yeah,
mate. How you going?
Jerk.
All right.
Where do you want us?
I think we might go to my old man.
Yep.
I think we might start filling up around the back corner.
Beautiful.
Done.
Look at these bloody gorgeous men.
Look like a cat drag.
Hey, a couple of sexy boys.
How are you?
I hear we're giving this away today.
Yeah, it's on the raffle. Yeah. Did you have a GoPro on your hand the whole trip up here?
Yeah. So I'm not going to shake your hand because it's going to be stuck in the claw bloody position. I'll park up. This is like amazing.
Yeah, it's tough, isn't it?
Love it.
I love how sucked it is in the front.
It looks fast sitting.
I think it ran. I think it got a 10. I think it got a 10.
Oh? They're calling a can. Where are you going to put them all? Steve, mate, been wanting to meet you for ages. Oh, sorry.
If you back it in between those two charges. I think so. We'll squeeze them in if we have to. See the races in there? The races.
Raggy. SR20 Porsche.
Bag. Hey mate, hang out. I'd probably put it next to the Mustang. Just so you can get out.
How you going, mate?
Good, man.
What?
I've had the leases drive 4 times in the last month.
I don't authorise you to film me, mate. Sorry.
Cool.
I think it'll work.
Always in his shot. Jeepers.
That's not Adam's old one. Nah, that was like great.
Yes.
Let me guess, 2J? All ducking on the inside here. Just getting myself sorted.
That's it. It was bought for that. Yep. That's $1,000 price cap on that. Yeah. And I bought it for $500. Yep. And then I started putting bits in it.
That was the biggest one.
Putting bits in it. And I was when I did that. Next year.
Get out of me bloody video, mate.
No.
Got enough of your own shop. Hey mate. I know. It's mine. Where you going? I know. Needs an LS. Need an LS it. I'll do it for you. No, this is mint. Oh, you love it.
Yeah, this is a cruiser, this thing.
Yeah, their father-in-law's got 2 XA GTs.
Yeah.
Bloody never gets them out. Bloody old, bloody miserable prick.
I've got an XB jet at home,
Oh, sick.
but this is just everyday cruiser. Fucking
Coupe or 4-door?
4-door.
Yeah, man. Love it.
Why one?
I better go, mate.
All right.
Nice to meet you.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Can't take him anywhere, it's not fucking traffic. It's still going.
Are you still here?
They're on the medium strip.
What are you doing here?
I'm seeing how far this goes. How
Yeah,
much
so
trouble
am
we're
I.
going to be in.
I'm gonna- Well, thanks for having us here today.
No, thank you for coming down. I'm amazed with your turnout. It has blown us away.
There's so many E-Series, so I'm pretty happy.
Yeah, you'd be very happy. Lots of E-Series around.
Hey, look at the Tesla.
I reckon there's a Hackshop sticker on the back of this because I reckon the guy, he tagged me in this the other day. I could be wrong, whether it's the right one or not. Let's find out.
Do, 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 do.
And I'm right, there it is. A Hackshop sticker on a Tesla.
You know you've made it now.
I know. That's wicked.
What a turnout. I think we're done with the cool cars.
We're done with the cool cars, yeah.
Awesome turnout.
That's been crazy. Surely. Nah, it's been
On
a
the
real...
next episode of Hackshop featuring XY Why Not, Alice Tesla coming up. And we've got Daniel here, put the turbo on it.
We'll give it a crack. That's unreal. I'm amazed. I really am. Good to see. It's going.
Alright, awesome day down at the Hackshop Garage Factory. Awesome catching up with the boys again, and you may have noticed that I forgot to film inside the actual factory. I was in there talking crap with everyone, checking it all out myself, so you can check out their channel if you don't already follow them, Hackshop Garage. Check out their factory. You won't. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. And if you like the yellow XA GT, I just did a video of that last week, so go check it out. You won't. See you.